How can someone live in Thailand full time without having a job? How can you live in Thailand full time without having a job? Now, I don't have a job. I don't work 9 to 5. I don't have a remote job here in Thailand. But that doesn't mean I don't actively produce an income. I So I'm gonna go straight into it. I'm a freelancer. I do digital marketing, specifically Facebook ads and Instagram ads for local businesses. Okay. And right now I have a few clients that are back in Europe and one new client that's in UK. Now I want to make sure that, like I tell you, I don't make a lot of money. I'm not one of those guys on YouTube that makes $10,000 or at least claims that makes $10,000. I'm not one of those. But I do make enough to be able to live decently. In fact, I make enough to be able to live decently in Europe, but here even more so. So that's how I can live in Thailand without having a job. And let me tell you, it's much better. It is a little riskier because you can lose a client at any given time. And in fact, I lost one of my long-term clients, or a client that I was with, or he was with me for a long period of time, right before I came to Thailand, and I freaked out a little bit about that. So there's that. There is this risk. However, the rewards, I think the rewards override the risk, because one client can be worth, I don't know, anywhere between $300 and $2,000. Depends of how you position yourself and of your experience and so on. And just imagine you have two clients within the same niche, or like with, for example, like two, I'm just giving you an example, random example. You have two clients who are, personal trainers, okay? Well, as long as they're not from the same city, you can do the same ad or the same campaign that was proven to work for both of them, okay? And obviously you have to manage the campaigns and you have to check them every other day, if not daily. But you see how you can actually scale. Like if you have, for example, like even like two massage therapists as client, or like 3 massage therapists as a client that are paying you $1,000 a month, you can actually apply the same strategy that was proven to work for one client for the other client. And most of the time it works. Like if you use the same videos, like, or not the same, but like similar videos, if you use a similar copy or even the same copy, same headline, for the ads, many times, I would say 9 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 times it works, that you're using the same copy, the same offer, the same everything. So just imagine you're having 3 clients and you're just copy pasting for each of them. Well, you will have much more time for yourself, because unlike in a job you have to stay 9 to 5. With this, if you know what you're doing, you can be extremely efficient and make a decent living and be able to live in a country like Thailand, and actually maybe even save some money along the way. So that's how I can live in Thailand. I am living in Thailand without having a job, but while still making the income of a job, of a 9 to 5. I hope this video inspires you and inspired you, because this is not the only way that you can make money online, obviously. But out of a few other ways that I tried in the past, this is the most reliable one. And it's a way that, I mean, you don't need many sales, you don't need many clients. It's a reoccurring income. If you're doing a good job, you know, like the client that I quote unquote lost a couple of months ago, he was with me for 3 years. So that's that. You get 1, 2, 3 clients, you get them results consistently, month by month. They're not gonna leave you, and you're gonna make the money, and then, you know, you get the experience, you can get more clients, and so on. But yeah, that's why I think this is the best way to make money outside of like having a job. I hope this video inspired you, and see you in the next one.